Okay, we're 5 miles to the east of Punxsutawney. Yeah, so that's the
there.
that's Punxsutawney. It doesn't look like I don't see any. Oh, there's a pickup truck or something like that behind the in one of the hangars. So maybe the FBO is open or something. Can't imagine they get very much traffic. Okay, so stay up at pattern altitude, I think.
Yeah, there's the buses that they were, some of them where they were using right here.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah.
Punxsutawney's not that big.
No, of course it wouldn't be. So
I think the Walmart's up on top of that. See where that road goes up the hill
yes,
there?
I do. Yep.
Yeah, I think it's
Okay. Got a school there, I guess.
Yep. That's another area that they were using to park people.
Oh yeah, okay. Looking for Gobbler's Knob.
People are traffic friendly. 231 is on about a 5 mile right base for runway 7.
I'm trying to think. That may not be it.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll just we'll do a big circle here and see what. Should be able to tell the Walmart from up here. I gotta get up here a little bit. I can't be flying too low. Oh, that is Walmart on the hill.
Huh?
That is a Walmart up on the hill.
Okay, that's where we were.
See that over there?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is it behind the Walmart?
Yeah, it's kind of like, would be kind of like a little bit southeast. Gobbler's Knob. Yeah, that's where we parked, and then they took us down this road to the, like in that direction.
Okay. All right, let's fly over that way.
Yeah, they took us down. See where that road goes? You come down.
This road behind?
You come down out of Walmart right there, and they took us on that road.
Okay, on that road back this way?
Yeah, 8 miles southwest of the field with kilo inbound lane. Friendly 231. DuBois traffic
just
friendly
stay right,
231,
just follow that road.
runway 7, DuBois.
Okay.
And
back in here somewhere then maybe.
yeah, because we walked that road. Yeah, see that back in here. See that area right here. See that white house?
Yep.
Beside the road?
Yep.
And I think it's, yeah, that's where, I think that's right in there is where they left us off on that road.
Okay.
And you can kind of see that building right down.
Okay, I'm just gonna try and. So you were in a big field or something,
Well,
right?
I can't see there
Okay.
right now.
Well, let's just see.
Yep, that right, yeah, right there is it. Yep.
Back in this field
no,
here?
right in this. Well, I can't see it. We're going,
Okay,
we're
yeah,
flying right over it.
Okay, well that's what I was trying to. Hang on, let me. I'll swing around and we'll just. I'll come out and do a left turn here. Yep.
You have the airport in
I
sight.
have the airport in sight.
Yep.
Okie doke.
Yep.
No.
Yep, there's the...
Okay. Fuel pump's on. There's a nice little view of the town here coming in from the south here.
Yeah, that whole Main Street right here,
Yeah.
it was packed.
That would be cool. Like, I mean...
Yeah, down here were these big buildings.
Yeah.
And then that right over here, kind of like, see that first big building with lots of glass, that looks like a park
Yes.
right here.
Yep.
That's where they had a lot of stuff set up.
Cool.
Yep. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Well, this is actually showing.
Oh, right there's where we parked. I mean, we're parked to go downtown.
Yeah. Punxsutawney traffic, Archer 5 Golf Kilo is on a 2-mile final for landing runway 06 full stop.
And that's the road the GPS took us on. You're going to fly right over it. It took us out that way.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you'll see the road there.
Okay.
That took us into 322 somehow.
Okay. So, this actually shows you a glide path right there. So we're right on the glide path. Punxsutawney traffic, Archer 5 Golf Kilo is a short final for runway 06 full stop. It's an uphill thing here. Narrow runway, it's... you can see the windsock there. Ooh. Oh, that's not bad.
Punxsutawney traffic, Archer 415 Golf Kilo, taking the active runway 6.
Yeah, just do one.
One notch?
Yeah, no, I mean one flip around the.
Maybe I'll do
the
it one
town.
notch here.
Do that too.
Yeah. Full pump on.
Hello. I'll get her flying. Yeah, so either way, either a left or a right turn, we'll just circle around the city, just in case the other didn't work.
Yeah, I'll circle around to the left.
All right. Yeah. There. Just in case the video didn't work and from the last one. Interesting town for sure.
What's that?
Interesting little town
Yeah,
for
yeah,
sure.
it's nuts.
Yeah.
I'm thinking probably about the size of South Williamsport, probably.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know.
Look up the population there, but
Yeah, there's the Walmart.
no.
There's
Right.
that. Yeah, I have to keep my eye on that tower.
Yeah.
Sticks up there pretty good.
Yeah, I was down almost 2,000 feet, so. Cool. So,
So basically, see this road right here?
yeah,
See those buildings?
yeah,
Right there's a building there, and they were using those as like to sell stuff out of.
okay.
And then you see a little building.
I see the white one there.
Well, there's a little
Okay.
building.
So in this field right below
Yeah,
us
see
here?
that? Yeah, right here.
Okay.
They were using that thing right there. And yeah, we were,
You got all those people crammed into this field.
well, if I'm looking at the freaking right field, yeah, that's where.
Okay.
Let me do a.
Yeah, you can do a sweep around there, and
Yeah, they were.
basically that's it then, huh?